is a one fine crowd tonight. We're celebrating Beach Day, which we do every year since 2012, I believe it was. We have the wonderful stage built and the canteen, which Chris, my son back there, helped design in the first place. And we got our sound system in 2 stages over the years. And so it's with great pride that we have this wonderful day now, thanks to Vincent Beach, whose support and whose finances, because he was in the United States Air Force for 22 years, helped to support us for all those years until we were able to become a 501c3 just 3 years ago. So we celebrate him every year because without him, I would never in a million years been able to carry something off like this. And now 25 years later, they do it practically on their own. I drive around. So we have a wonderful program for you tonight. What? We have a wonderful program tonight. I'm going to be the MC for all kind of reasons. And we have the canteen here. I'm not sure what's in it. Everybody had dinner, and there's more dinner, right? Is there a lot more dinner in there? Okay. We seem to be out of bottled water, but we do have water and ice, and we'll keep that going. There's coffee. I hope. It's a brand new coffee maker, so I'm hoping somebody got it to working. And so I want to thank you again for all coming. Enjoy yourselves. There's bathrooms in the little house and a bathroom in the big house. And I will say stuff further on. Just happy to have you all here. And I will turn it over now to, who am I going to turn it over to? Javier. Javier.
Bluegrass love song.
There you go.
Meet Me on the Mountain is a good bluegrass love song. The other name is Sing Won't You Be Mine. It's a reminder of childhood love and coming back together. That's a nice thought.